Welcome to another Paybox Timers YouTube video. In today's video, we will be going over our basic website navigation looking at the Paybox portal. We are going to start off by logging in. Once logged in, we want to bring attention to the left, to the list of tabs. Through these tabs, we have access to several data streams, to other useful information such as how-to guides and trends in current electrical rates, as well as the ability to track incoming Paybox shipments. Once on the left-hand side, you can locate the dashboard, where you can find information on electricity, as well as links to download our app on the Apple Store or Google Play Store for iPhones or Androids respectively. You can contact us through WhatsApp. The Point of Sale tab allows you to accept credit card payments from customers. On the Prepaid Code tab, you can offer your tenants cashless payment transactions with our coin boxes through this tab. You can keep track of your Paybox machines through the Devices tab and make a few changes there as well. The Revenue Report tab displays total runtime and revenue generated for each Paybox device you have in service. You are able to fill out your billing and shipping information under our User tab. The Transactions tab displays all the financial transactions made through the Coinbox devices. We can track any incoming Paybox shipments through the Shipments tracking tab. If you are looking for how-to videos or DIY guides, these can be found under the Video Library tab. The Credit Card Processor tab enables you to link your bank account to accept credit card payments. We will be offering our tenants more payment options with the development of our Cryptocurrency tab coming soon. If you are a software developer and would like to request a software development kit, you can do so under this tab. And that brings us to the end of today's video and